So if you are a government worker or a salary earner and you avoid these 4 things, you are going to become super rich. Okay, just avoid these 4 things. Number 1, avoid borrowing. Borrowing is not going to get you anywhere. Okay, avoid borrowing today. If you are a salary earner and you keep borrowing, you are only going to be in debt forever, because the salary that you are taking will not be able to pay off all the debts that you have accumulated, and still you need to borrow more, you need to spend more. Okay, so avoid something called borrowing. It spoils our name as salary earner, because you go to the bank, withdraw your money and pay the debt. You might not even be able to pay off all the debt, and of course your salary will be finished. So in order for you to start accumulating money, saving monies and avoiding debt, do away from borrowing. Do not do it. No, don't borrow. Avoid borrowing. Number 2, avoid being drunk. Yes, you heard me right. Those who are always drinking themselves out are always looking miserable. They won't be able to have proper mind to think properly, to be able to think about ideas that is going to develop their life. They won't be able to think right. They won't be able to develop new ideas to improve upon their life. They are always drunk and spend all their salaries in those alcoholic drinks. So in order for you to become rich, save money and become rich as a salary earner, avoid getting drunk. Avoid getting drunk. Number 3, avoid betting. Avoid betting. Yes, betting and getting drunk or alcoholism is somewhat like this. They follow each other. There are some who drink and some who also bet. Some people do do both at the same time. So for you to be able to accumulate wealth as a salary earner, avoid betting. Betting, you bet your life away, because if you keep betting, there's no way you ever going to save one. Tell me who bets and then has ever accumulated wealth as a salary earner. Tell me that one salary earner who bet and has succeeded in life. So do away with betting if you are a salary earner and you want to succeed or become rich in the near future. Do away with betting. The last but not the least, or the 4th point, is avoid unproductive partners. If you are a lady, avoid partners. Avoid guys that are not productive, guys that are going to follow you and spend your money without contributing a dime to your life or without contributing to your business. Guys that will not come and tell you some business ideas or contribute some productive or useful or meaningful ideas to your business or to your life. Avoid those guys. If you are a guy as a salary earner, avoid partners. Avoid women that will not give you good ideas. Avoid women that will always keep coming to you to spend your money without contributing to your business, without helping you in your business. Okay, they will come and request a lot of money from you, yet will not give you any meaningful idea, or would not say anything that this business, don't do it like that, do it like this. Guys that will not correct you or will not give you more ideas in your business. Avoid those partners. I don't want this video to be very long, so these are the 4 things you are supposed to avoid if you are a salary earner and you want to become rich. Avoid these 4 things and save money as a salary earner, hence becoming rich in the future. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.